ሰላም ክምያለኩም ኣነ ራእይ ተክለ today I think we might be able to do plants, but I'm afraid we're outside. We're still in the house. Outside it's raining for me, so we're not going to do cartons. Maybe in the summer.
Oh, hello, gorgeous.
Look, I found the Cinderella dress.
Oh, nice. Nice.
I think
You came to work now? Good girl. Okay. سلام باليوم بدنا نجمع. سلام. كم يعلم. Stay active. Stay active.
She doesn't know words properly right now, but she's
تفضل.
Oh no, she doesn't want to kind of be fit. Give her a nose fall.
Oh, okay. All right. نجمع بنا.
Okay. Shall we start like a cat one? If no one knows, don't you?
I think we're doing today. We've been doing this for some time. We're doing today. حمشته شمونته سلسته.
I need this one.
حمشته قرنا. لومي حمشته شمونته سلسته.
Can you move?
It's okay. نسخن شونا على
Okay, how you do it? I need to show them, so I need to.
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ከመይ ሓዲርኩም? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you good to go?
Let's see me go. So, how you do it is you
Push up.
get ready. Okay.
Push up.
Push up.
Alright. So we get to the floor.
Mommy always asks me to do this before I do something.
I know.
It's
Ready?
boring having to do it every time. No, I'm not like an exercise, but every time we have to say, go, push up.
Okay. Okay. So guys, I'm what's after push out with malati. Okay, are you ready?
I have a very nice. Do everybody likes me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're gorgeous. Hade.
And because I'm nice. Because I just do a breaker, guys.
Oh. Okay. Alright. نجمر بلا. Okay. Hade, look. Up.
Ooh. Okay.
Up. Glitter. Well done. Celeste.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for buying me a sparkly swim.
Alright. Welcome. See.
Why did you buy me a sparkly swimming suit? Huh?
All body together, yeah?
Why did you buy me a sparkly swimming suit?
Because I love you. You got this. Show after. Well done. Well done. Up, see?
Now,
Now.
I think I said give this to Abby. So she could let us when we have a bath at home.
Okay.
No,
Now we need to focus. Come on, we have only 15 minutes. Come on, girls. Let's see. Come on. Now we do this. No, baby's working out to see. Baby, get it out. Now, look. What do you do? Hide.
Now you're my favorite.
Glitter.
You go like a horse.
So this. So let's step forward. Step back. Step back. Step back. Okay. And then right up. Right one up. And then yeah.
Guys, this pretend
Balance.
ball is doing what we are doing, okay? This pretend ball is copying me too, guys. okay?
Balance is very important, like that. That's why you put your hand in your head.
Very
Put it
good.
on it. Alright, see. Come
But
on.
it's complicated.
Okay.
Mine is 41st, 45.
Well done. Tamam işte. Şimdi işte. Sure. The balance is very important. Step back right. And then do it right. Don't get carried away. Forward.
And the people saying I'm
Forward,
beautiful.
yeah. Forward. Step back. Then you would know that you have to only get it to forward.
Daddy? Daddy?
Yes.
Can you buy me a ballet dress like this and there's a tight
Nej, good.
to my... Can
Nej,
you buy me a ballet dress like this?
If you do-
Look,
if you
look,
stop-
there's a tight and there's a tight
If you
and there's
focus.
long sleeves.
If
Yeah?
you focus, then we can do it.
But then you don't have to.
Okay. Right, now position again.
This one. Okay. Now let's see.
So this is 2 exercises, yeah? Now the third exercise is going to be a little bit,
Comma.
it's going to be this. And then planks.
Oh no.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
How are you doing, Jose?
Ready? Let's go.
This is a visual exercise.
Let's go. Harder.
I forgot.
So let's
Every
go.
time I do that.
Come on, be serious. حموشته. Oh, go. جشته. شو عدته. شو مولته. Okay.
We've been doing it, guys. The hard is getting stronger.
Okay. We did it. Now, next. Pussy, come here.
You shuffle that, and
And then I'll use the space, okay?
then I'll get my feet.
Alright, buddy. If you don't want to concentrate, it's fine. You can go to your reading, okay? If you want to read Megan, there are people who are trying to read in time. We're trying to finish everything in 15 minutes. Everything has to be finished in 15 minutes. It's all people can afford. They're busy.
And so you can play with us.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Ready?
Next time you're talking
No,
as with
no, Jose, no, not now. Now we have exercise to do. Afterwards, you can tell me. Okay?
Can't get up.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
No, you're right. Gonna come to this side, maybe. Jose, I would like you to concentrate now, or to just leave us. Which one do you want? You want to leave? Good. Why don't you concentrate with us? Concentrate with us. Come, sit down. Concentrate with us. Okay, let's go.
It was
Harder.
oh no.
Lite. Så just det. Just det.
Oh,
Show me.
it's gonna break my ankle. Oh, my hand. That's look at him much over there.
Well done.
Look at this.
Okay, now
What is it?
your favorite one.
What is it?
Burpees.
Puppies?
Yeah.
But my favorite one is Stardom. I know.
Star jumps will be no. We're not changing this, okay? We have a schedule. We have to follow the plan. Trust the process. Trust. Yeah, TTP. Trust the process. So we've been working this for 5 days, 4 days. So we have to follow it up. We're not changing it today. Alright?
Okay.
If you want to join us with that, good. If you think you need to do a different one, there is a bigger space up there. Come on, sit up. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Son code de l'audion.
Are you ready for the next next level.
Are you ready for the next level?
Yeah, are you ready? Yeah. Let's start jumping. Jumping?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Step back.
Some facts.
Step back, step back, step back.
Okay.
There.
One fact I know is that when you jump,
We do more exercise, less talking.
I'm the leader.
Okay, leader, come on, jump. Show me the bring up. Hadi. Kırıtı. Celeste.
I cannot wait to be cool.
Rahat. Tamam işte. Şimdi işte. Şu rahat. Şu man. That's it. First cycle is done.
Can I tell you guys a fact? Great. When you jump a lot, you can become very tall. Oh, sorry. Do the double one.
Wow, amazing. Well done, girls. Well done. This is.
I like my favorite is that.
You don't talk about such things in the camera. No, your mother. Alright, next exercise. Next exercise. Let's see. Next exercise. Push up. Do you want to listen or do you want to be tickled? Which one do you want? Come on. Are you ready? Floor. Come on, Agali.
I'm getting tired.
Little bit to that side, you see.
I'm getting tired.
Okay. You want to go then? Or you want to stay a little longer? Okay, are you ready?
Smell your sweat. The sweat, I can really see almost.
Ready?
Yeah.
It'll be nice. Maybe focus on the exercise. Okay. Hadi. Kalite. Celeste. Up. Elbows chucked. Elbows stay in there. Yeah. And then you're gonna see. Up. Hadi. Can't believe it. No.
Your legs are pretty long.
Okay, I'll see. Either go, allow us to do, or stay. Okay, now what I'm There you go.
Okay, Mom.
Hadi. Kalite. Elbows always chucked. Up. You got this. Push. Well done. All body together, not like a snake. It's like a wood. Ready? Out. Legs up. Back. أربعة.
I use my belly too.
Your belly is moved up first. Your bottom is up first, and then
Excuse me.
yeah, your bottom is up first. This one is
What
up
did you
first.
say? Four.
Your back part is up first.
Okay.
Come on. Chuck. And then push with your chin. Push. No. Go back. Come on. Either do it right or don't do it at all. Okay? Don't do it half-heartedly. You see, you line on your trunk and push up. That's it. Okay. Let's go. Back. Push up.
Okay.
There you go. You got it. You know how to do it. So. Joante. Shot. Right. Well done. This is amazing. Great work. Get up now. Okay, now it will be the legs, okay?
The leg?
Leg crunch, yeah.
Okay, so what is that? Oh, no.
I don't.
I didn't know what you call them, crunch. Can you tell me why?
Because you're crunching them.
Oh.
Get it there. So this. What about it?
Is this similar to the one that we did earlier?
Here. You can hold it back.
Oh, okay. You can hold it back.
Do not put your leg back. You always come back and put it forward because you can control it from there. Okay, forward. And don't go wibbly. Your back from hip on is fixed. Look at me first. Because I'm working out my belly too. If I go like this, it doesn't work. So steady, balance yourself. That's where the trick is. And then pull yourself up. That's it. There you go. All done. Oh my goodness, you're doing it better than mine. I just showed you. That's not fair.
Okay.
Just better. Very good. Shaman. That's it. Right, position.
Yeah.
Crunch. Hand crunch.
Crunch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll go into plankies.
I don't know why we do lots of this a lot.
Because then it works out your core strength, your six pack, your.
Everyone must go there.
I know. Come on. I know. So I'll explain to you this later.
Before
See, before even we finish the second one, we talk too much and then we've lost so much time. We need to exercise efficiency. We need to make it on the time we planned, right? Okay, let's go. It's okay to talk, but not when you're trying to meet the big time. In a competition, you don't have the time to type, not even to think, let alone to talk. You just have to execute it. You just have to do it. Okay, that's the only way you win. Ready? I'm ready.
Yeah.
Hands closed. Closer. Ready? Hadi. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. سدسة. سبعة. ثمانية. Now.
Oh, that was quite hard.
It was hard, wasn't it?
It really hurt my elbows.
Yeah, show me your muscles now. There you go. Me? Oh wow. Oh wow, those are the soldier muscles. Come on, come back here. Here. I will be here, you'll be there.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Hadi. Let's Yeah, almost. Ready? almost there. We have ثلاثة تاريخ نقله. Position. Just
Give me the content.
get up. Ouch. But. Ouch. Ouch. Amazing. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Can't believe it. You're doing it better than me.
Sweating.
I'm an old man. What can I do? مصغم. Now 15 minutes exercise. Is it making you sweat? It should. If you're doing it right. It doesn't make the strong people sweat. It makes the old people sweat. Let's go. Right. Now we're gonna go to your very favorite one.
What is it?
What do you like to do?
Oh.
Almost my size.
New one. It's very new.
No. We're sticking to the plan.
Okay.
New next time. We stick to the plan. Trust the process.
You get to choose. Would you like a cat stretch?
For next time, yes. But for now, we are sticking with the plan.
A leg
Burpees.
thrust. Oh, okay. Burpees. You just
Ready?
picked.
Huh?
You just picked.
No, we did it earlier.
Yeah.
We're repeating this cycle. We're going to do it 3 times. So this is the end of the second cycle. Ready? Let's go. Come on. And then back up. Well done. That's my girl. That's my girl. Now a little bit higher. 1, 2, 3. Well done. I'm so proud.
Next time, can we do the weights?
Okay. Jump. Well done. That's my girl. She ditched it. Slide. Well done. Someone there. Jump. There you go.
Do you know why I'm getting taller?
What's that?
Because I'm jumping.
That's it. I can't believe that.
Right?
Okay.
Go away, dust.
Okay.
Go away.
So, nathi gwalgantay comes triwa. Natkum ganta kung kamelo. It's teamwork. And gwalganta na kabit gayrana.
It says no.
Says this. Well done, well done. Thank you. We appreciate that. Last exercise, last cycle.
Okay. What
So-
are we going to do?
The whole thing that we did, 5 of them. Push up,
Yeah.
leg crunch,
Yeah.
hand crunch,
Okay.
plank,
Yes.
burpees.
Okay.
We'll do this 5 one more time. So we did it 3 times.
Just now.
Yeah, position. When you think about it too much, what will your brain say?
Don't do it.
Oh.
Don't do it.
And what do?
We say brain.
Listen.
Just listen to me.
Yeah.
What you're saying is incorrect. If I exercise, it'll be good for my strength, it'll be good for my health, and also good for my learning, and it'll give me more neurons
Yeah.
to learn more movement.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? When you exercise, it's not just for your muscles, not for your belly. It's good for your neurons, neuroplasticity. You grow new cells, says the future scientist. The future astronaut.
I don't want to be this.
Oh, please. Okay.
I have
You're
an
a
idea.
scientist,
I'm
okay.
gonna be doctor, not doctor.
Yeah, of course,
Someone who
doctor.
works in the laboratory.
Laboratory, yeah, scientist, a doctor scientist. A research scientist. Just like Daddy. You could do better. Come on. Ready? Ready?
And also I'm gonna be a queen of laboratory next to.
Try now. Oh, no. Okay, alright. Are you ready? Okay, action. Right. How what are we gonna do now? We will do push up, and when we come back, we will stretch hands, lift legs up, and head down. This one,
New one.
straight, up from the hip, up from the hip. That's it.
Hey, I remember this movement from gymnastics.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you
Ready? Huh? Okay, go. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? I'll just do let's push up. I'm more that as little on it. I think it's a lot of fun. كلاتكم تيوم كل عزر لوكم كم encourage كتقولوا من أين نقول حكم زي أجرم جميرهم لكن نقول long way. I don't know بزعلهم لكن this is the best part of my day. The best.
my hands? My hands.
እስኪቶም ሳይ ትሰርሑ ዘለኹም give me thumbs up ትሪኢኑ ደይኮንኩም ምሳና ትሰርሑ ዘለኹም ምስ ደቅኹም give me thumbs up ወይ give me ገለ ዝኾነ ምልክት ትግዓራ ኣይትመጽእ Thank you, Almazina.
Here.
Don't forget.
Yeah. Bingo!
Bingo! Wonderful. A lot of people are working with us. A lot of other children. Skip quite
Around
below.
my age.
Yeah.
Like 6
So-
and about 7. No.
Yeah. So
So
the,
well.
the 21 days challenges then for everyone, you see. Everyone will work with us. Come on. I need to finish this and we can
I'll be Richard Line.
All right. Come. Like,
It's Sarah. Wow, everything is coming up so fast.
I know. Come on. So everyone is getting engaged. Give me a little bit more space.
Yes, Dad.
So this is the last part of the 3 cycles, okay?
Okay.
So we will do 5 exercises. When we finish, تنقريهم. أنا رأي بحال. أنا أتلتي.
Athlete.
I'm athletic. أنا مخالي كلهم قلعوا challenge يقورهم.
And I like to do ballerina.
I know you like the ballerina. But you said you want to challenge everyone to the exercise, right? So you can tell this to the primes. Everyone. How many times do you exercise every day?
I do, even when Tetlina is gonna try to use my weight. Sometimes I even make up my own movements. And sometimes that I have not thought of any movements and I forgot that we had a weight. I just do nothing. I just do some running, sometimes jumping in the house.
So you're always active. That's what you say.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Show me how you stay active. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole body.
Yeah.
Only the chest lies in the floor when you lie down. When you do this, you come back. Everything goes up except the chest. No, get back. Everything goes. No. Let me move my hand. Yeah, that's the spirit. So you push up from there. That's the spirit. No, problem. You got this. Go. Push it. Push. Elbows in. Now push. That's easier. Come on, you can do it. Tell your brain that you can do it.
I can do it.
Then go. Push for it. Push. There you go. That's the goal. Let's go. Push. 2 more. Push. Push. That's my goal. We gotta challenge every child, yeah?
Yeah.
So,
And you get to challenge every grown-up.
yes. Shall we call ourselves the challenging family? Come on, up there.
Very close.
Come on. Right, time is the essence. Ready?
The healthy family.
The healthy family.
Healthy
The healthy
family.
family. Okay, let's go. Healthy family to the challenge نقبلكم.
Yeah, this is going to be a challenge.
Your challenge is going to be right healthy family.
And sometimes I can change it to helping us. I'll have so many challenge channels. I might have the most challenges on earth. I don't know.
Yeah, well, we can do that. Very easy. But I'm not right enough challenge could give support to the governor. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
سامكم لقرنا ثلاثة. Right now the channel is Delhi. نسكول عطرة جزارة ولا تبلالا.
And sometimes I'll write on the behalf of my father.
Alright. Your dad would be proud.
Do you only have one channel?
I have, yeah, one. Well, I can't even keep up with the one channel. It's so demanding. I have 2, but
You have 2?
actually 3.
3?
Yeah. Balance.
I'll have 100. I'll have 16.
How are you going to manage that?
I'll have 16 grown-ups in the house.
Oh, goodness.
Some are ladies, some are men.
All of them working for you?
Some of them looking after their children.
Oh,
Some
my
of them
goodness.
making lunch. Some of them making dinner. Some of them making breakfast. Some of them taking my daughter,
Okay.
my children to school.
So you're going to be a billionaire. That's the only way you can afford to have so many people working with you or for you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna be a billionaire.
How are you going to be a billionaire?
I will
What's the plan? How are you going to be?
I'm gonna instead of playing for like a couple of minutes, I'm gonna cut it to 1 minute, so
Yeah.
then I can study for 11 hours if that's possible.
Well, then you have the answers, and I don't think that action plan is has any flaw whatsoever. It's gonna work just fine.
And
The more you study, the more you earn.
and I'm gonna graduate
Yeah.
from year 4.
Yeah.
And then when you go to college, I'll be only eight when you go to college.
You want to go to college when you're 8?
Yeah, because I've studied
Okay.
very much.
Okay. You just want to make daddy's life a little bit tricky.
No, I want.
How am I going to keep up with you then?
Don't worry. Mommy might be able to take me, or maybe Grandma if she has a way.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Right. Position. Position. Action.
I have an idea.
More
Maybe-
action.
Okay.
More action.
If we take me to Magdalen Gates, where it's a bit more close to Grandma's house,
Yeah.
even though it's a tiny bit far, Grandma will be able to walk there, and she would have to walk for miles and miles.
Right. Action. We'll talk about this plan again. What are we going to do next?
Is
Hong
hand
Kong.
clap.
Ready?
Yeah, that scared me like a scarecrow.
Ready?
Yeah.
Balance.
Okay.
Don't rush it. Hold it there.
Can I like have some drink of water?
Alright.
Thank you very much. And my children will have. I'll build a rainbow Legos for them. I'll be and even when I'm a scientist, I'm also going to be a chemist, a person who studies technology, and everything you might think of.
It's possible.
And I'm going to have a
it's-
beautiful big garden.
Good. It's possible, and it's also necessary that you win. Okay? It's possible to do all of this million things you want to do, but it's also necessary that you do it for your people.
Necessary.
Yeah.
I know. I'll have 100 rooms in my castle
Oh, there you go.
for everyone from Eritrea, except from Dr. Abby and whenever the two bad people try to come in, I'm gonna slam the door.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, come on. Let's go now.
And
Planks. Planks now.
Okay.
Concentrate. Ready? Okay, let's go.
Nice, like it. Oh, this is harder than.
You are so hilarious.
Oh. What does love mean? Funny.
Ah, let's go. Amushte. Shudishte.
Oh, okay. How much we do that? Okay.
This old man is dead.
What?
Yes,
Like
he's
this?
exhausted.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
doesn't mean
what do you want to say today to them? That we've done more than half an hour,
Okay.
which would have been the time that you and me would spend doing something else, maybe making the juice
Okay.
or something else.
Anyways.
Say ciao, William.
Ciao. Brought my LT. Hopefully soon my father will give me a website. Or maybe not, but I'll be able to go on YouTube without my father, or without my mother, or without my sister.
So نانا له سبورت تقبر رأينا تي channel يزدلي مسكول عطر يدرخ ولت بالله.
I got a new. There's three websites. The new one is very important. The little ones are they're not part of education, but the last one will have to be. So
what do you have in your education channel?
Okay, in my educational channel, I'll have fun games, but that is for maths, but only for little kids, like 1, 3, if to improve their numbers, and 4. My sister's 4, so that might be helpful. And then for 5, 6, 7, that will be adding. Just for 5 maybe.
Okay.
And then for 6, 7, only multiplication.
So this is everything you want to put on your channel?
They're going to be in the maths channel.
Okay. So
And also there'll be some hard math games that you might want to answer, and also some games that when each time you do, you win. Each time you get the correct answer, and an award is given to you. And then if you want, you can print out. It's a certificate, and the certificate may have a medal.
So now you already have like a school of yourself. Is that what you're talking about? Alright. So
And when you win it, you can photo. You can show it to your parents if you're kids, and you could photocopy it, like I said.
Okay.
And you can print it out of your computer, your laptop, or your iPad. Only if your iPad can have some space.
Yeah. Okay. So ምሳና ስለ ደጸናሕኩም ብልቢ ነመስግን እንተደኣ ነዛ ናይ ራእይኮ ሰፖርት ትገብሩ ኣኹንኩም ኣነ ቻነል ከፍተላ ነው ሶ ከፋሚሊ እንድሕር ሳብስክራይብ ገይሩ say I don't know ኩሉ ኤሪትሪያን family.
And we will make sure I will make sure that everyone gets a math education. I'll try to get English up, phonics if you still have to learn it, and spellings if you still have to learn. Those parts will also they will be underneath the maths. So there we'll have some fun activities.
Okay, so
See you next time.
All we want to ask our viewers is if they are happy
To watch all of the ones. I have more even if I don't see them.
Yeah, so if they're happy to support your cause.
Yeah.
And if they're happy to support your channel. Hussy, come. What do you mean what? Come, Dumu.
We're saying goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later, alligator. So.
Right, bye William.
Bye bye.
Make it a great day. Make sure you win today. Make sure you make today count.
Yes.
Dumu.
She sometimes make words that make nonsense.
Okay, right, bye William.
Anyways, bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time or tomorrow. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button.
Okay, you need to press on the X for it to finish.
Thank you.